Few boards sort of coming through. Had a bit of time to make some stock up over winter, so stoked we're starting to get a few boards back in the rack. Kids boards, just did a bit of a collaboration with Jakey from Runnermuck Visuals, and he's dressed them up with a pretty cool design on each of these little kids boards. So yeah, limited edition these ones, and yeah. Got a bit of thickness and volume to them. This one's 5'2", 18.5, 2.5. It's about 24 litres, so it's got a bit of volume to it. Easy for the kids to paddle in, get on waves. A couple of different ones of those coming through. 5'4", and also a 5'8". And the kids, see the kids loving them, swarming around them. And then also some ones for the bigger guys. 19 3/4, 2 5/8. So nice little weapon for the beaches endpoints. There's a 6'2" there, a really nice 6'4". And there's a couple of fishes over here too, a fish rack. Little 5'4", polished finish. Really light before too. It's 5'4", 19 3/4, 2.5. And we'll go upstairs and have a look. Second hand as well. Some pretty nice second hand ones. Some cool ones from the team kids. Little Landon's old 4'3", little fishy, nice thick, chunky little style. One of Mickey Peterson's old ones. Bit of thickness, 4'4". Heap of other ones down there.